I was jumping forces in so tap on China, Yana or the war. You better come out after never me no because you know you feel to qua. Bobbie Ansah, I beg a Canadian on one gas and a party, yeah, NDC government no. For how possible boom market, ne banks, now they all in the name of say you be a friend 24-hour economy market. You be 24-hour economy market. I will guarantee because of that market, you will that crowd, you bugu. Or see Yansen be any, or fire. Now face no, and is a full soldiers maybe, as you before so, Abacasa. I would just say. Government ni buy no ma yo mani ama wo mu isi ma ye nkru to ban kwase adwuma ya twemu madi entu no send warning ama NDC for no medam ha as most Penyah DC ene edwamo e de kira mansan best say ni de kwan so obi me subscribe button so da wo ma obe turn notification on for latest update e ya no a share ama onu aso enya bi ahwe na wa kire wa adwen e de ama me e wo comment section pa baby abode ton de hu da wuru wadwade bi na wo ye ensan adwuma bi na wo ye na pesa manfo ehu so that they will patronize you. Contact Penyah Block Media. Be up from area. My number and that's on final free na young promote you and sign. We will deliver. You know, we will deliver. We have the numbers. We go bust your mind. Let's go into it. I was here. Let's begin with Bobbie Ansah. It take 24 lessons in mono. And this is what we can see which the Ghana for no. And a 24-hour economy. I don't want to say I know the game changer. Almost say me answer 24-hour economy no. Ebe boa me nyuma be dosun wo Ghana ha. Na ahase no na asena enchiremu no emaye because na esenigatia e kan de ye betwa light bill ne bo form. How does this make 24-hour economy? Just say na enso bia ka kan ento asmo make any sense bia we say na ye jata ye beyen jata na ye just say ensam prekesen. But at long last I know man kasa kwatena so okukuwa mu I could draft idea no foforo aba Ghana focus man say am ba nto ya sumo to bo nkoza abra biem enum kosa ba no nkosa ba ye no enum just now Ghana for ya kwatena say adwene hu ye na ade ni say na te labis be kan say formula 133
which we have a formula for the 24-hour economy and it's a very simple one. Formula 133, same job, 3 people, 3 shifts. So when we say 24-hour economy, guys, you respond by saying formula 133. Can we do this? Youth, can we do this? 24-hour economy. 24-hour economy.
Ana Mahama so de beto so as a formula 133, 1 job, 3 people, 3 shifts.
3 shifts every day. Hospitality industry, our restaurants, our discotheques, our nightclubs, our hotels, 24/7, 24 hours a day.
8-hour shift. On say hours near 24 hours and they make it day. It will divide 24 by 3, 8. It will call Juma 8 hours and then we are pound. And Juma Corona now will be so by 5 so the next 8 hours. Now what pound? Na say Juma Corona no for so by 5:20. Come me blogger you know. Come tena ya Juma 8 hours. Na ma break it. Now obi for so by 2 so. As I be post ya 8 hours. No so break it. Now for so by 2 so. E dinke dey there content na be mamu be 30 content every day. What I say? Sa na omu e ka ho asem. So that it will increase productivity. It don't cause a nyuma hode na hoda da na no. Eno na ye be run the 24-hour economy. Sa no mu edin konche in opposition.
How can we solve the unemployment crisis in Ghana? Yes, Massa.
By using formula 133.
Can you expatiate?
Say, this simply means 1 job, 3 shifts, 3 people. That is the Mahama 24-hour economy policy. Under this policy, businesses will be given tax incentives, cheaper electricity, financial support, and security support services to encourage them to work 24/7 by adopting 3 work shifts of 8 hours each. This will triple job opportunities in the country. This policy will boost production, increase productivity, and generate well-paying jobs in all participating businesses and public organizations.
Excellent. The 24-hour policy will be a game changer.
2024 year coalitions. Emma Mahama clock of 4 o'clock we bet now on say this is the 24-hour economic clock.
This is the 24-hour economic clock. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. 1, 3, 3.
Emma Musa fe nipa bodom campaign advert supporting the idea of 24-hour economy.
Ah boy, I know why when you more water. Because I'm go pay juma. Ba manye bi. Mbe she on chenga kra. Enye sa me kofi na mommy humia. Na bembe bukra o. Ah boy. Ebe fa why? Da ben.
Ye John Dramani Mahama ba. Ebe fa. Ye John Dramani Mahama. The nhyehyɛ bi a yɛfrɛ no 24-hour economy eba. Edam 24-hour economy eba ma edwumaku biara incentives ibinyi de cheaper electricity na afei ɔde sika baso ndwumaku no ase na afei so tax breaks a ebe show mu nkran a edwumaku biara bɛyɛ edwuma mpen ebaasa do na afei so yɛman edwuma ebebusu wom na yɛmma no so anya edwuma ayɛ same kɔ no tofa edwuma kru biara no yɛbɛyɛ ne mpene baasa do na yɛbɛfa nkrɔfo baasa wɔ de medwuma no ana yɛfrɛ no formula 133 na edwuma no opia bɛyɛ bi na afei so ɔbɛma yɛdwuma no etumpon yɛtumi yɛde nyama efi yɛkrom ha akɔ amonane akɔton ɛno so bɛboa ma yɛsikasam no agyina yi.
Ah boy, now go. Because you show me voters ID card.
Ana yi nyina ɛkɔto aba because obi apɛnwuma ayɛ oka 24-hour economy no maje so policy baako enwuma bebree ema DKB Ghana kura tikase be ya advert bi a amfa kwam na nyansa bi a emeki sanje se ensam de omukika kabipa but omba aban mu no ase ne ma start esesa na se ye wo hwe ye ho ana firés ofosu kwatbe ka kire se NDC never said it anywhere said they are coming to do formula 133 also man kan be bia dance na firés oni Ghana he bia na ana mobile yera makofa na baha no sese ade amwankasa maka on video video evidence is but still first o man kan NDC bia kan be bia da Mahama kan be bia da cause Mahama ana ye ko to abada but Mahama ankasa anka but there are 2 video evidences Mahama kai na sensem no ye hu de eko but interestingly how the hu so makofa be friend 24-hour economy market 24-hour economy no ye hu so but ni atati atisi ye dwudwi baabi edi besi 24-hour economy market ama at number schools yakobu be said the whole no school ni besi 24-hour economy market aha market ni akobu agu aboabo market ni akodwiri agu okọ aha no market elubo se hwan market ni yakodwiri agu ama de atwa wo kra ye Enchi Enchi market ye ho kama fefefe kama no ahe market ko aye mo no yesi ye nche yakodwiri market nso agu se be 24-hour economy market ya bu market yagu say be si market nyansa be pa ne wade wi mu I don't get it nyansa be pa ne wom ya bu market yagu say be si market say market nya patata kwa mi market yesi wo from nice market yesi wo from standard market yesi be bu agu abesi ultra modern market say ho na say I was ya bu bang nyina agu all in the name of say the site no be the construction of 24-hour economy market is you need the name echo now you know an NDC communicator Bobbie Ansah say there be or for be part of this government but or transit junior Ansah ba kukura say e bi ni the question
from a year NDC you ever clean up no free fee yeah Kwame sa 24-hour economy market no almost no I don't know who is in charge. Was it Saturday? I'm saying Saturday na me say Busitano Ebeka say the secretariat no they are not responsible because you see it doesn't make sense say ubu market yegu say usi 24-hour market. I mean it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Clean up ni biwa. You see we can't vote for a party. Na party no abemu as obi a zombie as obi a Jimmy. It's like when something is wrong nobody wants to talk about it, everybody is quiet, you know, be actually like bang 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 bang. But definitely a best local government has it, right? Okay, so let me give you a typical example. Our new over the weekend market yeah, I think some people time no almost a chance so musi. So market in a week. Just that a uncompleted market, but the structures are new. Now, Omakobu market negusom baba besi 24-hour market. I saw the video and I'm like, for real, does it make sense? Omokofre MC ni baya, MC ni se onu onim. Oh, to be honest, I don't know who is in charge. Ben Bakrono only Sunyan Sakakra. Yes, there are Yamfa Babit Agbogloshi. Agbogloshi, ye capital city. Central business town here facelift. And the Babit Agbogloshi. Near see a bit modernizing. I'm a bit to say, Yayan Babit to say, Kumasi KJT idea. I'm all for it. What you say? In any case, but me asking ka toilet no kosi no ho. Na say NDC so mun si toilet nti so mbesi marketer e wa gbogblosha. Fine. But so go do a be a municipal district baby. Na MPPSC market dada. And also almost a project be as omo anwie. Na wako buogu say oh baba besi market. Wa bodama na wajimi. Kwame ntimu so almost say ade I don't know the person behind this stupidity. What to market? What bu market negu? Oba besi market. Now I no for no granting what Jimmy now what a papa video was into what Jimmy and Kaunu say I know. I don't think it's right. And so authorities need to hear when memo. You see, it doesn't mean you can do whatever you want and walk away free. I mean, it doesn't make sense. And he said, we use this microphone to push an agenda. The agenda should be positive agenda. Negatives, we don't want it. No, we don't need it. So what do a krobisuna say be a market anywhere? Nasa will say, Usi market. And I say, be a market in the old market. They don't have toilets, blah, blah, blah. Yes, we agree. You modernize it. We agree. Tafo, I think 2015, President Mahama, OCB Okumase Tafo. Then Emza Kwada, so then Aswase. Yes, I agree. But hey, Mikobu marketer, Okoya and MPP for SCBA. Sikana de kosi 24-hour no. Twaso ne wie Ghana for Japade. You can even expand it. Oh, but you see, Kwame, you know, chrono nti obebu the MPP no egu form. No, or the budget say we're discussing about 24-hour market. No, we di. Oh, chrono Jimmy chrono fasobia ni so. Kasi asemo kwa Jimmy chrono fasobia ni so. So kwa an MPP aye bi next one leave it. Let it. I mean, complete it. We nanya fine. Governance a continuation. Oba na say obi said the oya na ye dia Don't come and destroy it. Don't destroy it. Oh yes, sir. You benya problem. I'm telling you. Oh yes, you benya problem. You person mbu money in such a way that you nchiri mabe bano. You benya good story a catch romo. You mben kwasi asem. And somebody should talk to somebody. Minim ni pakura. Oh yes, I no. Somebody should talk to somebody. These are. Obi antiase.
Now we say, okay, 24 elections now. And this government, almost promising youth no. Boss baby, oh my daughter dear, you buy before police. 24 economic market no. We be near Juma ye, you be musay, you be musay, you be almost say youth ni Bob promising one casa food soldiers. But you see what you see is not what you get. Aye. Fidie yi aboa ni sunku. Eja na ni sunku. Say politician air pa ba. Na no de pa. Onya wie o de say o ye kwase pa. Wa otuma ru ni mu nyansa. NDC youth omu food soldiers e da beji akonwa wi. Omba ya na o madam pu o mo say de. Oba bi atwe be ma bi condemn. No we wey na niam no sa. We use na eja na si wono mo. I don't see the be say sa de say ante ase. E wusua o mo start e koma kosem. Na ebi enie
NDC, Mr. President, with all due respect, more NDC party na da hono mo. Me ka se mbi a che NDC for Penyah for am wo boase ha no say. Any NDC aban na nkasa se ende se ka se ye to aba wo boase ha na se boase for enyi president emma Ghana for a me ka no kre plem na kire mu me NDC ni me ka no kre plem na kire mu se ye ka se ye to aba wo boase ha na se wo boase for na enyi president den da jo mama oni wa appointees am wo boase ha no se wallahi se ke ye mu wi ni youth na ye wo boase no ye bre ye sofa edwuma bia nko wa hanum sei company aye ne wo boase hanum sei onfa boase fu edwuma boase hanum sei yenye business wa hawo boase hanum sei yenche fish wa hawo boase hanum sei yenye yenim edwuma bia ka gold edwuma ho yene yentu galam sei ense yinsuo yene ye kofom ekobobo ba pie besene ko machine sa edwuma ne ye small scale mining NDC mo ka kire se yemboa na mo bra power mo ba power mo ba boa ma yenya bebi a ye pe aye adwuma edidi ende akwasi sen Mr. President ende akwasi sen ye kasa mpanyinifo bia kana so atum te se monte youth na ye wo boase ne mo pese ye dane akoromfo ana youth na ye wo boase ne mo pese ye den mo mbra na mo be ka kire enteduru election a mo betimi aba be di nkomo a kire mo ba asembe na mo ba be ka kire edru election a nkomo be na mo be baba be ana mo nim se boase ya nto abakra NDC be widi eniti na mo NDC mpenyinifo mo se yani youth no yani youth ni se munnim a NDC ba power afi bia NDC youth no nketo na ye wo mu no ye bre mo ma ye ho kire but MPP ba power na nkwala na omo bua campaign nkwala na omo support ye no omo create chance ma omo nyina omo se sankwala ne di omo tu kwan omo create ndwuma de nkwala na hyehya no na omo di omo mpanyinifo atoto ndwuma esefata na omo di omo mpanyinifo atoto ndwuma na no kyese ye ne NDC for youth ne de kyese ye ne yenim de ye jimi ye bapa wa bia na ye bre ye bapa wa bia na ye ho kire ye bapa wa bia na muse bulie ye bapa wa na muse bulie but MPP nya power MPP tena de so a na oboa youth no na obi edidi omutimi didi kura mpo ma ebisun ye so but NDC nko aba power pe na ye ne ye young ones na ye wom no na ye ho kire ukọ penyini bi ho no mo osi mpenyinifo no ukọ penyini we ho osi penyini we eti mpenyinifo no mo wo hefa mpenyinifo no mo wo hefa se sa na mo ye de aye ka kire mu youth no munya ye biemu ye donyame efi se politics no enya nyamesom no aka se by force e wo se me wo NDC se sa na mo ye de a mo kire ye nyensa ye nyina se sei na mo ye de a ye beboa na MPP aba power fi se MPP ba power ye hudi omo ye mo nkwala ye hudi omo ye mo ne omo nam na ye nko aye party ba power na kwasi asem nko a enema ensem fata bia na omo de ye nkwala da ye wo mu no common edwuma keka mo bebie ma ye ne yenkonya binye no so eno so asa ada ne boachi bidin adan bone ben ne yaye edwuma keka mo bie ma ye nya binye edwuma amon fa ye nso muntimi mfa ye ukọ penyini we horse penyini we ukọ penyini we horse nkran ukọ penyini we horse order from above adan say na mo ye dia ye ka kire Mr. President NDC ye ba power youth na ye wom ne ye bredodo ye kanu credit a kire mo NDC ba power enye oboasefo nko Ghana nyina youth no young ones na ye we NDC no se NDC party ni ba power ye bre mo me komo die mo nya hwe mo youth no mo nya hwe fa maye MPP ba power mo hwe o mo nkwala ye o mo ne o mo nam mo hwe niema ye o mo ye mo nkwala de bia ye fixe o man de bia ye hye o man na 8 years ababa be sene akọ ye nhu hwe na MPP aba MPP ba power na oboa ne nkwala na omo pese omo tukwan na omo de omo tukwan omo pe police na omo pie omo wurem omo pe bibi na omo ye eduru NDC nko a na sei na ye fixe country na ye koye sei na kofa o bef set bla na kofa o school hwan ni bla MPP ba power pe onim sa niema no say ye police na opa protocol na ye pia wo hyem soldier na opa na ye pia wo hyem mines dwuma na opa na ye pia wo hyem esu biala o mo nkwala de be ko mo na so bia na o mo ye mo yenko aye ba power pe na mo me ye bre ahokere nko a adan yenso ye betimi a convince nkofo de o makọ MPP se munnim a ye betimi giant NDC party no na asan ya convince nkofo aye campaign ama MPP fo aba power. If you say political party ni enya mesom na e kire say by force baby am wo no honom na e wose me wo baby e be boa no honom na meko mama ya te ase say yemboa na yenku yahu youth ni na yemboa na NDC black power NDC ba power mo be create ndwuma baby aye ne oboa se youth no krampo no ye pay ndwuma aye no kram mo be boa ma yensa aka am ya ye ndwuma bete kosi sen NDC ba power ma se ku ye brafo na ye ho asem kra ye nim baby aye ko ya ho asem ye nim bebia ekọ na ade ache na ade asa na 8 years na akọ so na MPP aba na omo buo omo nkofo na omo sere se sa na mo ye dia nsem bi na mo ka kire ye kwan bi na mo kire
anya asem kuma wo na munya hu hwe ai munya hu hwe kire wa dwen fama be comment section ho no ha yi Penyah Block Media agra